Hello there, and a warm welcome to our digital trend space for Bluezone, which unveils 4 new denim trends under the title Back to the Future. For the optimal experience, please either use Chrome or Firefox as internet browser. The following tips and tricks will help guide you through the space, set up as a pentagon. This overview gives you a first impression of the space. You will find some practical tools and options to move around over here in the menu bar. Before you start exploring, please make sure to switch to full screen mode and turn on your sound for a proper audio source. This button will start a system-guided tour, which shows each picture in order. You can use these buttons to move forward or go back. If you wish to exit the tour and move around individually, just click on this button. By clicking on one of the pictures, you will then be directed towards this picture. Moving over a picture, what happens on a mobile device, will provide you with more details about the context of this picture. Clicking below the picture brings you back to the navigation arrows. You can further navigate and continue your own tour by using the 4 arrows or clicking on the floor. If you use a trackpad, you can also easily zoom in or out. Now, let me give you a short overview of what to expect from our new trend space for Bluezone, featuring the 4 trends under the seasonal slogan Back to the Future. Big Fun features a trend for right now. A new energy drives us to seek back the time we feel we lost for traveling and partying. Game On stages the future generations by merging the real world with the game world. Informal Mutants shows a demand for a more sartorial dress code, with a twist thanks to rebellious interpretations. Return is all about the beauty of simple denim and the right standards to produce it. Each of the 4 trends will provide you with an introduction, a few short relevant and inspirational videos, a selection of the most important influences, followed by a key video to visualize the core message of each trend. Before you start watching the video, please make sure your screen is switched to full screen mode and turn on your sound. To stop the video, just click on the exit button and continue your journey. Please make sure you start only one video at a time. Discover each of the 4 trends in more detail in your own time. Also make sure you don't miss the inspirational video statements of international trend experts like David Shaw, Tilman Wöbel or ITL Group, who share their vision on the next season with you. The summary of our trend analysis with all detailed information can be downloaded as PDF here. Now, we wish you a pleasant and inspirational stay in our trend space and can't wait to bring Back to the Future to life with you at the Bluezone in Munich.